Hi friends, we are again here with a new video. It's about Automizy, best email marketing automation software that creates an ease of marketing automation and sending targeted emails for online businesses. It's alternative of MailChimp, Aweber, and Constant Contact. So let's check out its details. Click the link in the description for the website. Improve your open rate by 34%. It's designed to increase your open rates. It includes essential email marketing features like send campaigns, bill automation, create forms, manage your contacts, and others. Different templates. Improve your open rate with artificial intelligence. It has easiest automation builder that help in creating automation campaigns with ease. You can create effective high performing emails with drag and drop email editor. Test your subject lines before sending. A/B test automated emails. Send emails based on website behavior. Collaborate and cooperate with your team. Here are the features: email marketing automation, grow your subscriber list, measure with analytics, integration, and others. Here are the features: grow your subscriber list with modern sign up forms, CSV import, integrations and APIs. Deliver emails at the right time to the right peoples with email automation builder, website behavior tracking, tagging based on interest, advanced personalization and segmentation. Send campaigns with the highest open rate with subject line tester, subject line A/B testing, automatic resend to non-openers, drag and drop editor, and newsletter templates. Track results and improve with email performance metrics, campaign analytics, automation analytics, form analytics. Here is the list of features. Let's check out its pricing. It depends on number of active subscribers. For 1000 subscribers is $29 per month and varies as the number increase or decrease. Let's take the free trial. Put your email address, give your name, company name, URL, and select industry. Select your platform: Shopify, WooCommerce, PrestaShop, Magento, or any other. Put your password and agree with the terms. Click next. Here is the dashboard. You can add contacts, bill and automation, send a campaign, create sign up forms. So let's start with the contacts. Add contacts, create a list, give the list name, import CSV file or add the contacts manually. Put the email address over here. It's added over here. You can add filters to check out the list, tags, sign up scores, contact details, and others. Search. Here you can also add contacts. Here is the list. Let's move to the campaigns. Create the campaign. Here is the template of email. From here you can design your email. From email editor, drag and drop email, simple email or HTML email. From here you can choose pre-made templates. Put the details over here: campaign name, sender email, reply email. Add your subject line over here. You can also improve your subject line or perform an A/B testing for subject lines. Add another line. Automizy will show the winner after test. Send the winner to the rest of 80% automatically based on open rate, or you can decide manually after 4 hours, or you can set the time. Next, design your email. You can add image, text, title, columns, button, divider, code snippet. Change the colors: paper color, outer color, border size, paper width. Campaign settings. Set the actions. Add tags. Preview the email to different devices. Send test email to. Put the email address over here. for test email. Set the target subscriber list. Schedule your email. Set the time. Target audience. Here are the details of the campaign. You can schedule it or just save. Here it shows the campaign. Now move to automation. You can choose the templates for automated thank you emails, welcome to new subscribers, follow up leads, discount or product page, announce a product launch, new subscribers. Choose anyone. We have selected this. Fill out form, send emails, wait, send email, add tags. Here is the automation. Create an form. Edit form from here or create a new one. From here you can select the design or templates. You go to the basic, click next, form name, connect the list. Here you can edit the form, insert different elements, image, text, fields, company, phone, position, website, thank you page. Check it to different devices, mobile and desktop. Click next. You can copy paste the code to your website. Form is added. Now send the email. Edit the email or create new one. Wait time. Again send email. Add tags. So this is how you can automate the campaign. Here it shows the automation, active and inactive campaigns. You can create forms from here. Here you can check out the reports, campaigns, forms, cart abandonment. You can connect with your stores, URL, API key, password, share secret. Integrate with different services, Zapier, Shopify, Unbounce, MailChimp, WooCommerce, Facebook lead ads, ManyChat, lead pages, PayPal, Shopify and others. Here are the settings, tag manager, custom fields. So this is all about Automizy email marketing automation software that helps to create an ease for sending emails for your online business. Please like and share our video, subscribe our channel and leave the feedback in the comment box.